Let's go. It's showtime! Hey! The last time we met here was December 2019, almost 2.5 years ago. Thank God that we are all here. We're all safe. We're all blessed. Round of applause. We made it through. I know last time has been crazy for everybody. So it's a blessing that we can all be here, that we can watch the youth, our kids that we love dearly, do something that they really love. Thank you guys for supporting WeBreak and for sticking with us. We were able to stay open during the pandemic. Thanks to you guys. So we appreciate that so much, and we look forward to giving you a great show. Thank you, for sure. We look forward to giving you guys a great show, right? All right, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Brian Wright. I'm the owner, CEO of WeBreak Hip-Hop Dance Company. We have our shirts. If you look at the students over here, they have a 10 on it. That's because we've been in business 10 years, right? We're on 10-year celebration. All right? We started a while back. But it's great. We get to work with so many kids. We're going to have performances by our preschool kids, by our beginner classes, and we're also going to have performances by our crew. And for the first time ever, we're going to have battles here, all right? So we got 4 different crews. Yeah, we got some battles going. So we got 4 different crews from 4 different cities, and they're going to battle for this trophy you see up here, all right? So it's going to be a really fun show. Please stay to the end. I encourage everybody to stay to the end. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really, really awesome, all right? Without further ado, we are going to start off the show like we always do with the best class, our preschool WeBreakers, all right? So, our WeBreakers from West LA, OC, and North LA, go ahead and come on the stage, all right? Take your places. Let's give them a round of applause, parents, as they come out.